Okay. He has to go that side. Okay, ready? Go! Oi! Oi, fix your short. Oi, what happened to your short? Come here. Hey, baby. Your shorts. Oh, look. Oh. Why it's like this? Why you twist like that? Ah, sige. What you will say? You did not say anything. Still sleepy, Baba. You did not say anything. Okay, take 3. Okay, come here. Why it's straight, no period? Zaydo is back and he got something. What is that, Zayd? Like that. Okay, take 4. He has to come back. Okay, ready? Go. Back. What is stuff? Stuff. What's that? Oh, finish? You left? You left? Finished? Huh? Only because he got his airplane. Without airplane, he will not open. Kina? Mama lang eh. Milo for mama and coffee mates. How about the other stuff? I will go there, be. No need Zido is back because he is lazy today. Because he got his toys already. His toy already. Oh, this is the Nescafe. Nescafe, the original one. Huh? And what is this? For my mom. You saw it there? Rice for us and Ariel. Okay? Thank you, Baba. Say thank you, Baba. Thank you.